Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a successful digital marketing expert? In our rapidly evolving digital world, marketing has taken a leap from traditional to digital platforms. As more businesses migrate online, the demand for digital marketing experts has skyrocketed. These are the strategists who understand the intricate web of SEO, SEM, content marketing, and social media management. They are the wizards who conjure strategies, harnessing the power of analytics platforms, automation tools, and CRM systems. They are the hustlers who master the art of attracting clients through networking, leveraging online platforms, and building compelling portfolios. And yes, they are the ones who reap the rewards of this booming industry, navigating their way to financial growth and career progression. This is not just a job, it's a journey towards becoming a digital marketing expert. So are you ready to embark on this journey? Stick around to uncover the roadmap to becoming a digital marketing expert. Let's begin by understanding the essential skills needed to carve out a successful career in digital marketing. Firstly, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is all about making your website visible in the sea of online content. Having a firm grasp of SEO techniques means understanding how search engines work, how they rank websites, and how to use keywords effectively to drive organic traffic to your site. Without SEO, even the most beautifully designed website can go unnoticed. Next up is search engine marketing, or SEM. While SEO focuses on organic traffic, SEM takes it a step further, employing paid strategies to boost your website's visibility. SEM involves a deep understanding of pay-per-click advertising and how to navigate platforms like Google Ads. By mastering SEM, you can ensure your website doesn't just get seen, but gets seen by the right people. Then, we delve into content marketing. Great digital marketers know that content is king. Content marketing is about creating and sharing valuable, relevant content that engages your audience and drives them to action. This isn't just about writing compelling blog posts, but also crafting engaging videos, infographics, ebooks, and more. The better your content, the more likely users are to stick around and become customers. Finally, we have social media management. In our digital age, social media platforms are where people spend a huge chunk of their time. As a digital marketer, understanding how to use these platforms to reach your target audience is crucial. This means not just posting regularly, but also engaging with followers, running social media campaigns, and monitoring your performance. Each of these skills is a piece of the digital marketing puzzle. You can't just pick one and ignore the rest. SEO gets your website noticed. SEM targets the right audience, content marketing keeps them engaged, and social media management builds and maintains a strong relationship with your audience. Together, they form a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that can propel any business forward. Building these skills forms a strong foundation for your digital marketing career. Moving on, let's delve into the must-learn software tools that can empower your digital marketing strategies. Imagine having a digital toolkit at your fingertips, fully equipped with all the essentials to boost your marketing prowess. That's precisely what software tools bring to the table for digital marketers. Let's talk about some of the most potent ones. First up, analytics platforms. These are your eyes and ears in the digital world. Google Analytics, for instance, helps you understand your audience better. It gives you insights into who they are, what they want, and how they interact with your content. Essentially, it's a compass, guiding your marketing efforts in the right direction. Next, automation tools. Ever wished you could clone yourself to get more work done? Well, automation tools are the next best thing. They streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic work. Tools like HubSpot, MailChimp, or Hootsuite can automate anything from email campaigns to social media posts. Then we have customer relationship management, or CRM systems. These tools help you manage your company's interactions with current and potential customers. A CRM system like Salesforce or Zoho CRM can keep track of customer information, manage marketing campaigns, and identify sales opportunities. It's essentially a digital Rolodex that does a lot more than just store contact information. Lastly, let's not forget about SEO tools. If you're aiming to rank higher on search engine results, SEO tools are your best bet. They can help you with keyword research, link building, and even competitive analysis. Tools like SEMrush and Moz are popular choices among digital marketers. Remember, these tools are not magic wands. They won't automatically catapult your brand to success, but they can give you the data, efficiency, and organization you need to make informed decisions and execute effective strategies. The key is to understand how to use them to their full potential. Learning how to navigate these tools can take time, but the investment is worth it. Just like a craftsman mastering his tools, a digital marketer's proficiency in these software tools can significantly impact the effectiveness of their strategies. Mastering these tools will equip you to execute effective digital marketing strategies. Now that we've covered the skills and tools, let's explore how to acquire clients for your digital marketing services. In the world of digital marketing, client acquisition is a game of strategy. It's about using the right tools at the right time in the right place. One such tool is networking. It's not just about attending industry events or joining professional organizations. Networking is about building relationships. It's about connecting with people, understanding their needs, and showing them how your services can help. It's about establishing trust and credibility. Remember, a strong network can open doors to opportunities that you might not even have imagined. Next up, we have online platforms. In the digital age, online platforms are your stage. They're where you showcase your skills, your expertise, and your value proposition. LinkedIn, for instance, is a powerful platform for B2B marketing. It allows you to connect with potential clients, engage in meaningful conversations, and establish yourself as a thought leader. Similarly, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer opportunities to reach out to a wider audience, engage with them, and build your brand's visibility. Finally, there's your portfolio. A compelling portfolio is like a magnet. It attracts potential clients towards you. It showcases your skills, your experience, your creativity, and your ability to deliver results. When building your portfolio, focus on the quality of work rather than the quantity. Include case studies that demonstrate your ability to solve problems and deliver results. Highlight the impact of your work on your clients' businesses. Remember, your portfolio is your proof of competence. It's what convinces potential clients to choose you over your competitors. Each of these strategies, networking, leveraging online platforms, and building a compelling portfolio, plays a crucial role in client acquisition. They help you build a robust client base, which is the foundation of a successful digital marketing career. With these tactics in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to building a successful client base. Lastly, let's talk numbers. What's the earning potential in the field of digital marketing? The answer to this question is as variable as the field itself. Industry standards suggest that entry-level digital marketers can earn between $30,000 to $40,000 per year. However, this is just the starting point. As you gain more experience, specialize in high-demand areas, and demonstrate your value, your earnings can quickly rise. Now, let's delve a bit deeper. For those with a few years of experience under their belt, the median salary hovers around $60,000. But remember, digital marketing is a broad field. Specializations like search engine optimization, or SEO, and social media marketing can potentially command higher salaries. And if you're thinking about leadership roles, the pay scale climbs even higher. A seasoned digital marketing manager can earn upwards of $80,000 annually. But here's a fascinating aspect about digital marketing. Your earning potential isn't strictly tied to a salaried position. Many digital marketers choose the freelance route, offering their services to multiple clients. This can provide a significant boost to your earnings, especially if you're able to land high-paying projects. Moreover, if you're entrepreneurial at heart, you could even start your own digital marketing agency. With your team, you could work on multiple projects simultaneously, significantly increasing your revenue potential. And let's not forget, digital marketing is an ever-evolving field. As new technologies and strategies emerge, so do new opportunities for career progression and financial growth. Whether it's mastering the latest SEO techniques, becoming a guru in influencer marketing, or leading a team in a top marketing agency, the avenues for career progression are plentiful. So, as you can see, the potential earnings in digital marketing are quite impressive. But it's important to remember that these numbers are just potential. Actual earnings will depend on a variety of factors, including your skills, experience, specialization, and even your geographical location. With dedication and the right strategies, the sky's the limit in your digital marketing career. And there you have it, the roadmap to becoming a successful digital marketing expert. We've navigated through the essential skills you'll need to master, such as search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, and social media management. These are your tools to construct a strong foundation. We've also explored the indispensable software that will supercharge your digital marketing efforts. Analytics platforms, automation tools, and CRM systems aren't just buzzwords. They're your allies in this exciting journey. We've shared insights on client acquisition, from networking strategies to leveraging online platforms, and the importance of building a compelling portfolio. These are your stepping stones to building a solid client base. Last but not least, we've delved into potential earnings in the field, dissecting industry standards, variable factors, and avenues for career progression and financial growth. This is your blueprint to a rewarding career. Remember, success in digital marketing comes with practice and perseverance. Start your journey today and watch your career take off.